this week, this channel hit 500 subscribers, which is astounding. I am so honored that 500 people actually watch what I do. I want to thank you so much for subscribing and for making the channel grow and helping me to achieve that goal, which incidentally happened the same week that we hit a 2-year anniversary of this channel. So that's really cool. So I managed to do 2 years of these videos to help people learn how to cook and bake and do things for themselves in their own home. And that means so much to me. So thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it, and I'd appreciate it if you'd share my channel with your friends and family too, so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers, which would be amazing. Now, a couple of other things that I really wanted to touch base on, so there won't be a recipe this week. Firstly, please check out the community tab. If you go to the homepage of the channel, you'll see at the top there is a link to a community tab, and on there I'll be posting behind the scenes photos, quizzes, questions and answers, and things like that. And right now there is a poll asking for your favorite dish or a dish that you would like to see me do on this show. So please take a moment to check that out. I would also like to remind you about all of my social media links, and those are also below in the comment section. And if you'd like to check those out, it'd be great to have you following there as well. Now, finally, I'd like to also say a very big thank you to my patrons on Patreon. Without them, this entire channel would not exist. They have been absolutely amazing in supporting, and that's these names here. Thank you so very much for your support over the last 2 years. And if you're not familiar with Patreon, let me take a moment just to explain to you that for as little as $5 a month, you can actually financially support this channel, and that helps this channel grow and keep going, and helps us afford things like this new item here in the background, and so on and so forth. So it really is great to have that support from those people on Patreon. So if you want to check out that link below in the comment section, I will highlight it for you. It would be really appreciated if you signed up for Patreon and supported this channel that way. And then you get some benefits that only subscribers on Patreon get. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Thank you again for all your support over the last 2 years, and I look forward to providing you with so many more recipe ideas. Until next time, happy eating.